As Bradley Manning's pretrial hearing began, his supporters raised their voices outside the base where he faces a possible court-martial. For them, Manning's case goes beyond allegations he leaked thousands of classified and sensitive documents. It's about how he's been treated. Dan Choi is a former military officer and activist.
A soldier who did nothing but stand for the values of America, not tried yet, but held in confinement for a year and a half. Solitary confinement, stripped, interrogated, not being able to see the sunlight or his family or his friends for a year and a half. Nobody can say that justice has been served.
Max Obajewski says Manning is being used to set an example.
Why did they put Bradley Manning in the Quantico brig, keep him in a cell for 23 hours a day, have him stripped naked when he comes out, etc., etc., etc.? Well, they did it because they want to let other people know, especially military and people in the government, don't blow the whistle. You don't know what we're going to do to you.
The White House and U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton says the information released by Wikileaks put people's lives in danger and threatened national security.
I think that in an age when so much information is flying through cyberspace, we all have to be aware of the fact that some information which is sensitive, which does affect the security of individuals and relationships, deserves to be protected.
Manning's supporters say if he leaked the documents, he did the right thing. But military analyst Michael O'Hanlon disagrees.
There's no defense for leaking tens of thousands of files. There may be a defense for leaking a few hundred if you feel that the government's gone just way off track and you've got some way to prove it. But in that case, the way our system works, you better be ready to pay the price if you feel that strongly.
The price Manning may ultimately have to pay, if convicted, is life in prison. He faces several charges, including aiding the enemy, which is a capital offense. Prosecutors, however, are not seeking the death penalty. William Ide, VOA News, Fort Meade, Maryland.